Next best dialogue of this scam 1992 हर्षद मेहता is that सक्सेस क्या है, फेल्योर की बात का सब्जेक्ट. इट मीन्स दैट फेल्योर इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ योर लाइफ, सेकेंड चैप्टर विल बी द सक्सेस. फेल्योर इज सक्सेस इन द प्रोसेस. First you will get the experience of the failure, then you will get the experience of the success. Many people they are not taking a risk. They do not try once more because of the being the failure, and this is the happening due to they are afraid of getting poverty. They are afraid of getting financial loser. They are afraid of getting being criticized by the others. This is the main common reason many people become the failure. Any event we take we initiate in our life, and we cannot see that all the event turn into the success or failure. We can see that this event give a lot of lesson, knowledge, idea, experience to go ahead in your life. Unfortunately, if this event will be turned into the failure, it means that there is some lackness of planning, lackness of the any good strategy which you do not implement. Once you started making any plan, you can see only positive consequence. You do not give more important about the negative consequence. So you emerge in the excessive emotions about the getting profit. So that's why it turned into the failure. And I think if we take the failure, it means that the lesson what you have learned from this event, you improve in your mistake, and you should never repeat the same mistake once you try one more. So my dear friend, wants to try more and more important. If you stop, if you stuck, then you will be the experience of the getting failure in life. See, in our modern life nowadays, you can see a lot of persons, business trophies, business magnate, business tycoons. They are the multimillionaire. Why? Because they know how to take the risk. They know how to get experience of failure. So they get the idea of the being a failure. They implement new idea, and then he made very successful, and they call the successful businessmen. So my dear friend, I am giving the example of the co-founder of the Alibaba.com, Jack Ma. From the childhood to the adulthood, from the student life to the businessmen, he got a lot of failures. In the childhood, in the student life, he was failure to get the admission in the Harvard University. He was failure to get admission in the good institute, good college. Once they educated, and when they apply the job for the government, in the private jobs, being the English school teachers, he failed 17 times. Even he told in the one interview that he is the only one person who was not selected for the any job of the English teachers. Even they started the new venture, which was totally based on the internet. He tried to bridge between manufacturer to the customer. That is called e-commerce, business through the online. He established this venture, but after the 3 years of the initiating of the venture, he didn't get any single client. You surprised how much he got the failure. But nowadays he is the person of the multi-billionaire. He is the person of the best Chinese industrialist, and he is the person of getting the $40 billions. He is the man of the $40 billion. So my dear friend, so this experience what is telling that you may get a lot of challenge in your life, but you have to face this challenge. The whole universe favor for those who are the braver, who are the fighter, who are the warrior, and who know how to win the game. And life is the game, life is the battlefield, and everyone and each one are the fighter. And you should be the best fighter in your domain area. You should be the best fighter in your niche area. Then you will be success. Thank you very much.